What's up guys, Adeyemi here. This video is all about the unboxing and comparison of the whole new Tecno Spark 4 here with the Tecno Spark 4, the major upgrades and downgrades, and my overall impression. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Coming out of the box, we are greeted with the phone itself, some paperwork, 5V charging brick, micro USB cable, and a pair of headphones. The color option and overall design of this device feels good. It feels more like its predecessor, the Tecno Spark 4, with the gradient thing going on, although it is a plastic body. But the advantage this has over the glass body is the fact that it won't just break easily when it forks like the glass body. Moving on to the back of this device, we have a rare decent fingerprint scanner, though it is not as fast as the one seen on the Tecno Spark 4, but it will still do the job pretty well. On the side, we have the power button and the volume rocker keys, which are well arranged and responsible to clicks. Underneath the device, we have a microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB port with an option for fast charging. On the back, we have a moderately loud backfiring speaker. Although it is decent, but it still lacks some major quality, but I don't think we can get more than this with this price range. Moving on to the front, we have a 6.01 LCD display with a resolution of 1560 by 720 pixels and a water drop notch housing a front-facing 5MP camera. The display is lit outside and quite responsive to touch, and of course, we won't expect an AMOLED screen for this price range. We have the dual rear camera setup with LED flash and some Tecno and Spark branding. This device comes with a removable back cover, which is something to expect at this price range, and yes, a 3000 mAh battery. Although we have two out of the box, making an upgrade of 6000 mAh battery, which I don't think is significant. It comes with a dual SIM slot that supports 4G LTE and a micro SD card slot, which supports up to 128GB of storage. I actually expect more than this for a 2020 standard, but I think this is what we can get since it's a budget smartphone. The processor on this guy is the Helio A22 quad-core CPU, like the one we have on the Tecno Spark 4, but it is clocked at 1.3 GHz. It comes with a 32GB of internal storage and 3GB of RAM, making light gaming and multitasking enjoyable. This is all guys for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.